Now I will show you a way, after which you will be able to choose the right currency pairs for your trading style. And the most important thing is that it will increase the number of positive trades. I will not delay, and let's get started right away. The very first thing that many traders do not pay attention to is the payout on specific currency pairs. The very first thing that most traders do not pay attention to is the payout on currency pairs. What they're responsible for. What you need to understand is that the payout percentage depends on the complexity of the analysis, and the lower the percentage is, the easier it will be to analyze the currency pair. But since I will be trading with a booster bot, I won't care about these payouts, but I suggest testing. For example, I choose the euro, the Swiss franc. I choose $1,200, I go to the booster bot, I click on get a new signal. I choose this currency pair and the time to trade is 1 minute. I get a sell signal. And I open a sell trade right from here for 1 minute. As you can see, a very nice, confident and fast move. Because it is easy to analyze and very predictable movement, and accordingly the payout on this currency pair is very small, 28%. Now I will look at the neighbor, the British pound, the dollar. Here is already heavier, more difficult to analyze the movement. I'll select this currency pair in the bot, also 1 minute expiration. And now I get a buy signal. I immediately open a buy trade and observe this movement. As you can see, it was already a very risky trade, but accordingly the payout on this currency pair is even greater. Now I want to look at a currency pair that has an average payout, British pound, Japanese yen. I choose this currency pair. Also the expiry time is 1 minute. I get a buy signal and open a buy trade for 1 minute. Very active and impulsive movement I take away from this currency pair. As you can see, so far shows itself best of 63%. But now I will test 75%. Maybe here too will be a good movement and choose $1,500 on the deal. I get a buy signal again and immediately open my buy trade. As you can see, a very risky movement, and because of this I have a deal closed in the minus. So the next deal I want to cover my minus, and in order to cover this minus I will have to choose a high payout on the currency pair, and accordingly will have to risk. I choose the Australian dollar, the Swiss franc. And I get a sell signal and I open a sell trade right from there. Great trade, good momentum, and brings me $1,800. As you can see, BoosterBot copes even with very heavy currency pairs with heavy payouts. You can choose for yourself two strategies. You can safely trade on small percentages on small payouts, but then you will take a long time to reach your goal. Well, or the second option, you trust BoosterBot and trade on large or medium payouts from 60 to 80%. The currency pair shows very well. With BoosterBot, follow the link in the description, activate this bot, it is absolutely free, and if you have a question, then be sure to write to the support account. where you will be happy to help and answer all your questions. All the links in the description. Go and earn.